Welcome to String the Legs. My name is Mr. Orange. Oh my god. Guys, look at Activision today. At Activision Blizzard. It's one of the best performing stocks today, 27th August. Best performing US stocks with at the moment trading with 4.6971% up. So it's amazing. It's amazing. So guys, I'm clicking here now very quickly also on the chart, that you can see it a little bit better. Alright, look at this. So yeah, little disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. This is no recommendation to buy or sell anything. This is just for information purpose only, and I'm invested in Activision Blizzard. So my friends, let's check this stock. So that's the overall chart, a little bit maxed out, so it goes back to 2007, or you can even go much far away. So that's therefore I recommend you check out financeyahoo.com. It's a very good tool to get very quickly very good charts actually. Alright, my friends, so what happened? So where do we stand? So actually Activision was dropping a lot, so it was like dropping 50% down from around $80 to around $40, and then yeah, I would say then it found some sort of some sort of support line at around $41. So and then it was slightly going up. So Activision had quite some problems, as we all know. They had some problems. Bungie was leaving them. Destiny is coming to Steam. Some of their games were not selling so good. There are problems with Diablo Mobile. Diablo 4 was not coming out. So all the shitstorm, all of this stuff going on. And mostly when all of this stuff, this noise, this financial noise around the company goes on, you can be sure, just let it calm down, and then it's maybe a good idea to put some of your hard-earned coins there. And yeah, so we have 46, and we're finally, so I would say we had some sort of resistance line here at $48, and it was not really affected by the trade for Activision Blizzard or all this stuff now going on with the Nasdaq or with the other tech stocks. I would say today we broke out, my friends. Today we broke out. So if you see this here, I would say we broke out. So this was the last moment to purchase the stock. No, I'm just kidding. Of course, you can still buy the stock. So we are way far away from the all-time highs. But of course, you should then check out the fundamentals of the company, read a little bit through the fundamentals, and only then it makes sense to take a decision. So not just buy stock based on chart analysis, of course. So, but definitely I see here some sort of breakouts, 5.45% at the moment. So maybe here's some other form of resistance line, might be at $41.70. So if we even break through this, so I absolutely see a nice upturn here again. The trend line, so already 25% up, and I definitely see here from here also again some upturn. Let's put it here, something like this, voila, and then here you can see the percentages. So it's definitely an interesting stock, and it's one of the good performing now. Why is this happening? Yeah, of course, Call of Duty Modern Warfare comes out, so this might be positive in the short term. But then also I was checking some of the other news on Yahoo Finance. So World of Warcraft Classic is now live. I don't know if this is going to have a big impact on the stock overall. So I don't really think that bringing those classic games back has such a big impact. The press release features multimedia. We can check out the press release here. Business Wire. All right. This is the press release. Oh, it's not really clear. Then Overwatch League announces Xfinity as 2019 playoffs and grand finals presenting sponsor, also very interesting. So I recommend you to read through this news. I'm putting you the links down below this video. And Activision Blizzard advertisement business is gaining momentum. Article by the Motley Fool John Ballard. So one of the things management of Activision Blizzard has touted about its ability to grow revenue is its massive user base. So 300 million people play its games, so Activision Blizzard games every month. That's amazing. And players have consistently spent about 50 minutes per day in its games over the last few years. Yeah, I think I was actually playing at least 1 hour Call of Duty. I'm not spending so much money then actually. So then the question is, how can you monetize your gaming audience? So with loot boxes, with microtransactions, especially in the esports universe or in the mobile universe, this makes sense. Unlocking the real value in King's mobile games. So King's mobile games also belongs to Activision Blizzard. This is maybe very important. So they have been testing ads for Candy Crush, and Activision acquired King Digital Entertainment 2016 for $5.9 billion. And it's becoming clear that the mobile game's ability to make money from ads was likely a key factor in its decision to buy King. Very interesting, the Candy Crush. So they actually bought Candy Crush for everyone out there that doesn't know. So Activision bought Candy Crush. I think it's really amazing. So read through these articles, you find the links down below. It's really amazing to see that now Activision Blizzard gets pushed again a little bit by the, let's say it, by the finance media. So now we go back to the finance media. So there's definitely some momentum in the stock. And yeah, it was very volatile trading over the whole year, but if you check it on the whole year, so it's definitely here. We are at a very decisive point, and it's possible that it breaks out. So it's not really clear for now, but it's possibly that it breaks out. So we have another news here. Candy Crush Friends Saga launches new Hungry Yeti augmented reality feature exclusive to Samsung Galaxy. So a lot is going on there. So a lot of interesting news. So and overall here, if you look for example at the finances here on the right side, you see the revenues. Revenues were steadily going up. Maybe check the quarterly, it's more interesting. So the annually steadily going up. 2017 was not a very good year. But in 2018, and the fourth quarter of 2018 was quite nice, and since then it was also going down again. So 2018 was not the best, but yeah, overall, overall the actual EPS, the earnings per share, was also higher than the consensus forecast of the share. So that's also very interesting to see. You see the PE ratio of Activision Blizzard is at the moment at 23.52. It's okay, I would say. Then we have an earnings per share of $2.19, which is also not too bad, and a nice market cap of $39.433 billion. This is definitely with this market cap Activision Blizzard is not just some small company to invest in, but it plays a nice role. It's one of the biggest, I think it's the biggest video games company out there. So, and then yeah, even they paying a dividend of 37 cents. That's cool. Let's check here the financials. So here you get nice information about the financials, definitely interesting. So read yourself a little bit through this to find out if it's a stock that you might be interested. And at the moment, so buy, strong buy, hold, underperform, sell, or no sell, and only a little underperform in May, but also the analyst recommendation trend is getting positive. This is also very interesting, very good. And yeah, let's jump back to the summary. And yeah, let's have a very quick look how the other stocks perform. Nintendo only 0.15% up. Electronic Arts 1.74% up. Take-Two 0.93% up. Ubisoft 1.51% up. Capcom, no information yet. CD Projekt, yeah, CD Projekt 1.53. Going definitely, oh my god, looks very interesting, CD Projekt. Zynga also has a good day today. 3.3% up so for Zynga, but the earnings per share is negative, so Zynga could also have a little breakthrough, but that's a bit difficult. So they're slowing down here since the beginning of the year. And Tencent 1% up, Nvidia 1% down, and the Nasdaq overall, the Nasdaq is slightly going up, not a lot, so very difficult to say where the Nasdaq will go in the next weeks to go. So definitely Activision Blizzard is my stock of the day, and it looks good. It looks very, very good. So let's hope that the trend continues and that it's interesting to be long in Activision Blizzard. I don't really know if we broke through some sort of resistant line or creating a new support line. But yeah, definitely interesting to watch a little bit closer. Alright, my friends, I'm leaving it here. I hope you had a fun, entertaining time with my video, and see you the next time.